Pondicherry Rock Beach. These fishermen. We reached there around morning, maybe 6:30 to 6:40. People has been gathered and they're asking for auction the price of any fish, and bargaining is also going on. We take some photos and we move forward and also take some videos of these things. I think this is something for shipyard or similar to that, but definitely it's not in use. By seeing its present condition, anybody can guess it's not in use anymore. It's broken most of the places. This side of Rock Beach, there is the open sea beach, and people already enjoying. At the returning time, we saw one event is going on, a stand-up paddle rally, and Pondicherry Governor Kiran Bedi came to inaugurate this event. So this competition started. We watched this. Pondicherry was actually a French colony. It was not under British. So the French were there for more than 200 years. And for that, many things in Pondicherry we see. And for that, there is many things which was built by French. And still in the White Town, we can see these things. So next, I am going to White Town. I'll walk through White Town, different places, and I will share these videos with you. So you can see on Heritage Town and Heritage houses which was built by French. This is little different with other buildings around these places. So please subscribe my channel so you can get update on White Town of Pondicherry. After watching this event, we moved forward towards White Town, and also we saw Kargil War Memorial, which is at the end of Rock Beach. This is all about the Rock Beach. So if you like my video, I would request you please like the video, share and subscribe my channel. So it will encourage me to create more videos for you. And please stay tuned with me. I am coming back next video on Pondicherry White Town, the French colony. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.